Hello everyone, I'm Chef Decker, and welcome to the Rice Cooker Extraordinary Cooking Series, powered by Panasonic. So you think that a rice cooker is only designed for cooking rice? Let me prove you wrong, because I will be cooking 84 amazing recipes using this ultra-durable rice cooker from Panasonic. Stay tuned and follow this series. Cheers! Our remarkable Panasonic rice cooker comes in 4 different colors: blue, green, silver, and burgundy to match whatever kitchen color you have. It is so robust that it can take any beating in your kitchen. It's the only brand in the market whose heating element has a 5-year warranty. So let's go and explore our recipe for today. Are you ready? So for today, we'll create a delicious but simple recipe using this Panasonic rice cooker. And this will be grilled cheese sandwich. After spreading butter, okay, flip natin. So yung loob wala. So we're using mozzarella and cheddar. Spread lang natin even. So kung ano yung cheese na meron kayo sa bahay, pwedeng gamitin. So gusto nyo iba, provolone, okay? So nilagyan natin ng mozzarella for elasticity. Para yung stringiness. Press natin siya, yung wala. Okay? Press lang. Tapos pwede na natin siya i-rice cook. So for this recipe, we can start cold. Okay, para hindi masunog. So, mix na natin sa gitna. So, antayin na natin mag-brown and mag-mix. There you have it, our grilled cheese sandwich.
Panasonic.